Okay guys, I've been ordering so much stuff, I don't even know what this is. I've been ordering, see, some stuff came today, over there in the corner. So this is so pretty, and I said, you know what, I want to put it on camera so you guys can kind of see what this is, because I'm excited to see what this is. So this is something I know is for the journal. Oh, the suspense. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? These are the beautiful limited edition VIP gift set crystal little stone that has prey on it. These are actually prettier in person, and it's heavy. It could be a paperweight, it could be a decoration. Look at there. So yeah, I didn't order a lot of these because it's going to be the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The first 12 people will get these. Isn't they pretty? Oh my gosh. I wonder if they come in other colors. I don't think they do, but I'm going to try and see. Y'all, right, the process. Prayer journals are in full effect. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Y'all got to get yours. Oh, you guys have been ordering the VIP. Y'all, the VIP may be sold out very soon, so you better reserve yours today. So yay, isn't that pretty? Okay, I guess since I have you guys on the camera, let's see what these are. These are little goodie bags. We're going to be using, put all the secret goodies in. That's why I don't want to show you too much today. Isn't that pretty? I'm not going to show you what that is. You probably saw it once, but anyway, that's going to go in there. What is this? I want to see. What is this? I want to see. Oh, I want to also show you guys what came yesterday. The bookmarks. The bookmarks came yesterday, so we've been really working on the bookmarks. These are the tassels, and I designed everything, y'all. I designed it all. It's not just about waiting and writing. It's about recording your process and the purpose as it unfolds right before your eyes, and every stroke you take. God is guiding the pen just like He's guiding your process. It's the process life. And you can also turn it over. Your process, your purpose, you're right. Now walk it out. Now walk it out. Now write it out. So we're going to be putting the holes in it. And you guys will be getting one of these. All those who have ordered the gift set and the VIP gift set, you will be getting the bookmarks as well. So I'm getting ready to open this. I want to see what, I don't want to show you guys everything because I want it to be a surprise. This is heavy, so I'm not sure what that is, but that's heavy. And this is pretty light. That's good. That's light. So I'm going to see what this is first, and then if it's something that I want to share, I'll come back. But if not, you will see it in the VIP gift set. All right? Talk to you later, guys. Bye.